Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 18th of March 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The Australian share market ended the day down 0.7% to 6,746 points. 8 of the 11 sectors in the market declined, led by the healthcare stocks, which were down 1.7%, while the real estate investment trusts dropped 1.5%. The Consumer Discretionary Index was up slightly, the best on the day. The big banks all lost ground, led by the Commonwealth Bank, which was off 1.6%. Transurban was 2.1% lower, and CSL dropped nearly 2%. Of the large stocks, Newcrest Mining was the best performer, up almost 4%, following a jump in the price of gold. 5 of the best performing 8 stocks on the ASX 200 today were gold companies. Spark New Zealand and Nine Entertainment Company were the worst performing top 200 stocks. There wasn't a lot of corporate news around today. French waste group Veolia has begun legal action to prevent the $2 billion sale of the Australian operations of takeover target Suez to ASX-listed Cleanaway. It claims, that's Veolia, that a deal between Suez and Cleanaway would be a breach of French takeover laws. And Woolworths' $550 million bid for food service network group PFD Food Services is before the competition regulator, and the supermarket giant has said it's willing to introduce a charter for PFD to follow in its dealings with suppliers. The big news today came from the world of economics. Labour force data from the Bureau of Statistics shows that the unemployment rate in February fell to 5.8%, from 6.3% the previous month. There was a whopping 89,000 new jobs during the month, about 3 times the level most economists expected, and they were pretty much all in full-time employment. All the jobs lost due to the pandemic have returned. It was a good set of numbers for the government. Victoria bounced back. There were more jobs for women, and the youth unemployment rate fell. Participation in the labour market remained strong. Treasurer Josh Frydenberg said he wasn't yet comfortable enough with the unemployment rate to begin tightening fiscal policy. Of course, the government has already said it will end the $93 billion JobKeeper program at the end of this month. The Aussie dollar is trading at 78.2 US cents, a jump of 0.5% today. The rise follows the unemployment figures and also comments from US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell this morning that the most likely scenario was that interest rates in the US will be on hold until 2023. Just like the Reserve Bank here, the Fed wants to see maximum employment and inflation at 2% on a sustainable basis before shifting on rates. The comments came after Wall Street closed. Just recapping the major indices, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the day up 0.6%. The broader-based S&P 500 was up 0.3%, while the Nasdaq ended 0.4% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 18th of March 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.